Guys, welcome back. Last video, we were able to edit our alignment labels. So now we want to create offset for our alignment. These offsets are to show the additional width, the width of the road, the width that we need on the road. Now we have an offset. We have the width of our road be 7.3 meters, which is the standard we use in Nigeria. That means one lane 3.65, another lane 3.65. To the right, 3.65, to the left, 3.65. So how do we go about that? First of all, we go here, we go to alignment, we go to create offset alignment. So we click on it. So we go to CL, the parent name, that's the development. So can have 3.6, here we come 3.65, then 3.65 to the left, and to the right. So offsets the element style. No, we don't need to do any serious settings here. So no labels. Yes, we don't have to come up with label. So just click OK. So you can see it. That means this is 3.65 to this side, 3.65 to this side. But we need shoulder also. We need to show our shoulder. Maybe our shoulder is 2.75 or 1.5. Let's say 1.5. We have we go here and we have alignments. Then we go here, or let's say 2.7. Okay, create offset. Click on this one. So we have let's say 2.75 for the shoulder. That 2.575 means from the edge of the road, not from the center line, from the edge of the road that we just created now. We have 2.7, we have 2.75. So we want to have 2.75 to 3.65 because what we have on the road now is 3.65 to the right, closer to the left. So we now take 2.75 from that 3.7, we have 2.75 to that 3.75 because this what the create offset alignment command does is to take every measurement from the center line. So 3.65 plus 2.75. Let me say, let's look at it. Just to be sure, 3.65 plus 2 plus 2.75. That's 6.4. Yes, so you can make this one. So we make it 6.4 and 6.4. So we say okay. So you can see what we have here. So this is our shoulder. So which means to us to have our full shoulder here, then we have to extend this convex. Even here, this convex has to be extended. Yeah. So this is how it is done. But sometimes you can even do, instead of using the command for all offset, you can just do normal offsets. Just click on this one, then right click. Then okay, so you do offsets. Just go to the command, go to the offset command. Oh, yes, you can say 3.65. But let me say, for example, let us say 6.7. Click on it. 6.7. You can see it here. Comment. So, anyhow you want it, you do it. So, thank you very much. With this, we come to the end of alignment. Yes, we come to the end of alignment. Just as I said earlier, that if you want to shift this change inwards, you can just go here, click on it, we go to edit alignment labels, then we come here and we click on this one. So if you want to change the size, it's here, everything is there. So y offset. So we need to understand which one is y, which one is x. So looking at this, let's look at it. Let's say we want to use y. This is x, this is let's say y. Let's say we assume that this is y. Let's assume it's y. Let's put 0. And let's see what comes out of it. So this is definitely y. The reason is y because the road is like this ideally. So whatever from this is, so here is our center line. So this is y. So if we want to shift it forward, we say it's x. So we can still bring it further inside. So made it 0. So at this point now it has 0. So we can make it so now it's at 0. So if we want to make it to shift it more inwards, so we use negative minus 2.5. Let's look at how it's going to come up. So gradually. So it's all about you. So thank you very, very much. We are done with this. So also before we go, you can remove all these points. Just go to to your point groups and just bring this one down. Properties and bring this down and our points. So don't have any points on it again. So thank you very much. We'll move to the other video and we'll continue. The next thing to talk about now is how to build our surface so that we can use it to put our point. In this video now, up to this point, we've been able to talk about points. We've been able to talk about how to group the point groups. We've been able to make use of points to do our alignments. So now the next stage after this is to now move into surface, to use these points to build surface. Thank you very much. We see you in the next video.